Bandit Early Bird Special for Saturday, February 13th. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon. Team Bandit member, look for Bandit's best plays, Bandit's premium plays, games Bandit's betting today. Buy Bandit's $30 USD weekly package deal, or Bandit's $5 a day daily package deal. Today, 5 for 5. Bandit has 5 picks today. 2 UFC, 2 NBA, and you got Hockey Guy exclusive to package deals, all for $5 USD. PayPal Bandit $5 today and get 5 picks. It's a great deal. Choose to invest in Bandit. College basketball, always popular, early bird special. Loyola versus Drake. Bandit playing Drake. First half. Take the points. Drake, first half points. Quarter unit play. Wanna make a Bandit? King of the 1 minute videos. Making you money in 1 minute. Buy Bandit's $5 5 for 5 today. 2 UFC, 2 NBA plays, and 1 Hockey Guy play. Choose to invest in Bandit. It's a good investment. Money maker out.